It is Thursday, and I think I'm gonna try and get this up tomorrow, which means I've got work to do because I wasn't going to record this, but I am currently crafting, and I just started crafting, and I saw on Etsy these leggings. Let me give a backstory first. So I have been watching Clone Wars. Me and Vinny just finished watching Clone Wars, and I don't know the last time I loved anything quite as much as I loved watching Clone Wars. I am in my Clone Wars shirt. I bought this shirt for myself completely on accident, and I bought it before Christmas, before I had watched Clone Wars, and I wanted to give it to my friend, but it's snug on me, so it's gonna have to stay with me because I'm extremely petite. So anyway, regardless, I just kept the shirt because it fits and it was cute, but I decided to watch Clone Wars, and I loved it so much that I can't even begin to put words behind it. Ahsoka is my new favorite female in Star Wars, and if you know me well, you know that Leia has always been my favorite female, and like just like that, honestly, Ahsoka has beaten my love for even Leia. And so anyway, long story short, I was shopping for Ahsoka merchandise because when I decide I'm obsessed with something, I mean I am obsessed with it like no other. And so I was just scrolling through, and I really didn't see any like amazing Ahsoka merch, but I saw these leggings. One leg was orange and the other leg was like blue and white, the Ahsoka pattern. If you know what she looks like, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, but I'll try and like put a little picture of her in here. And I was like, those are so cool, but I don't really like leggings. And so I was like, where else can I pull some sort of like inspiration, because those were really cool. I was like obsessing over the thought of, Duffy, are you squeaking your toy? I was obsessed with the thought of like having Ahsoka pants because I love wearing pants, especially like jeans. So I was like, where can I get like Ahsoka jeans? And so I looked on TikTok of all places, and I found this girl. Her name I think is the lady Tano on TikTok, and she loves Ahsoka too, and like she is amazing. Like she cosplays her, but she made this pair of jeans that she painted herself, she said, and I was like, this is perfect. It looked kind of like the leggings that I wanted to buy off of Etsy, but it was jeans, which is just better for me. So long story short, I'm attempting to make myself some Ahsoka Disney bound type jeans today, and I was just gonna go ahead and do it, but I was like, maybe someone else out there loves Ahsoka, loves jeans, and wants to maybe make themselves something that they can wear to the parks or just at home to rock their Ahsoka love. So I'm gonna go and just kind of show you. I ordered a pair of jeans off of Amazon. They're Levi's, and let me see. Oh, here's the tag. I can show you the tag. They were a pair of juniors because, like I said, I'm petite, so I usually fit better in like juniors style, but they're the mom jean, and they were a perfect fit. And then I ordered just fabric paint that I made sure had like white, blue, and orange, and that's all here. It came in 2 days, and so I'm just like, let's just go for it, let's do it. So I'm all set up to be painting on my porch again, and I'm just gonna take you along on the process. I don't really know what I'm doing, but here we go. So this is the current setup. I got these jeans in, I think I want to say the waist was a 26. And I'll put the link to these in my Amazon, but I will say they're the perfect length on me, and I'm 5'2". So if you're tall, I don't know if I would get these unless you wanted like a really cropped pair. But this is the side that I'm going to paint the head pattern on. I'm also eating while I paint, but this is my little like sketch idea. So this is the leg I'm going to do first, which is just her head pattern. So I thought I would maybe use some like pens, because they're very lightly showing up on here, to trace my outline, but it's just, I don't know, part of me just wants to go for it with the paint, so I think I might just start painting. And I've got company. Say hi. Hi. Oh. Oh, and this is the paint I got. I also got this on Amazon, so I can link it too. But I'll let you know if it's good. We'll see, we'll see. I don't know if fabric equals jeans, so we'll see how this goes. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm going to insert some cardboard into the legs to like keep it stiff. I just started painting a little bit, but the jeans are like swallowing the paint, so we'll see. I think it might be leaking through, so that might be another good reason to use the cardboard. So it's just gonna cut some of this and fit it to the jeans. Kombucha in a wine glass just increases the experience. Okay, so I've got the first layer of paint in. The jeans are just like soaking up the paint, so I might need to buy more to finish, but I still have some left. I'm gonna wait for it to settle in a bit more and make a smoothie for me and Vinny, who just got home from work, and hopefully get the second coat of paint on that right leg. It looks like I'm gonna have to finish them tomorrow though, because that right leg is gonna have to dry before I can do the left leg, and the back side also, so it'll be a project for today and tomorrow. But I'll show you the first layer, and then I'm gonna make a smoothie, and I will start painting the second layer. Okay, so I have finished painting the right leg for the most part. I might have to touch some stuff up, but I have just been spending the last, like, I don't even know, 45 minutes trying to trace the outline for the left leg. I'm a little more worried about it because it's a little more drawing and handwriting, and now that I really like the right leg, if I mess up the left leg, I'll be really sad to have to start over completely. So if you're planning on doing this or drawing on jeans or anything like that, I have this like white gel pen, and it hardly shows up, but it shows up enough for me to see it, and that's kind of what I did just to be a little bit more confident before I start painting. So yeah, you can see it through the camera. I'm doing this. I am no Jedi. It's really faint right now, and then there's her lightsabers and just some like stars and dots. So I'm gonna go and paint that now. Fingers crossed that it still looks good when I'm done. And I used this for straight lines. This is not my book, it's my husband's. I was using it to make the lightsaber straight, but okay, here we go. Lightsabers are done, and I'm pleasantly surprised. These are looking so cool. Now I have to do the I am no Jedi part, which I'm also very nervous for. Okay, so here they are. Here's the front. Got the lightsabers and stars. I am no Jedi, and her headdress pattern. And wow, I cannot wait to put these on. I still have to do the back pocket, so I'm gonna let this dry overnight and then do the back pocket. Woohoo! This is like so much better than I thought it was gonna turn out. So yeah, I'm happy. We are going to make some dinner, and I'm just gonna let this dry. So I will see you guys tomorrow when I return to do the back pocket. Okay, hello everybody. It is the next morning. The jeans are dry and oh my gosh, I am like, I woke up and forgot I did that last night. And so when I remembered that I made myself Ahsoka Tano jeans, I was like, oh my god, and I jumped out of bed, had to look at them. Anyway, it's like 1 o'clock now and I am ready to do the back pocket and then they'll be done. So yes, I'm so excited to do that, let it dry, and then put them on for the first time. I'm like geeking out over here, but let's just get to painting. Okay, so this is the pattern that I'm just gonna paint on the back pocket. So I just need orange and white. And that's really all. Okay, so this is the first layer. I'm gonna have to do probably 3 layers. I'll let the 3 like dry before I can go on and do this like pattern with the white. So I'm gonna eat something while this layer dries. Hey, okay, so I look like this because it's 11 p.m. We've been to the gym, I've showered, we've had dinner, we watched the new episode of WandaVision. Oh my gosh. And now my jeans are finally dry. I had to put so much paint on that back pocket. I don't know what was going on, but now I'm ready to try them on. I am so excited. This is how the back pocket turned out, totally dry. So now I get to try them on. If I told you I wasn't geeking out on the inside right now, I would be lying. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to put on a better shirt. And then I'm gonna have Vinny record me so that you can see them in better lighting now that it's dark. He's gonna have to do that. Oh my gosh. I'm such a nerd. What do you think?
Looks good.
Like my lightsabers?
Mm-hmm.
I had to put on a full outfit because I was half in PJs before.
Of course.
Did I do a good job?
Wow. Looks like you bought them.
I'm so excited. I have to wear these to the park.
Of course.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, well now that they're done, I guess the video is over. I am so excited. I can't wait to wear these to the parks, to style them with like cuter shirts than this, and to do my hair. This is so much fun, but I hope you enjoyed watching me make these. Maybe it'll inspire you to make them or to find the Lady Tano on TikTok, because that is where I got this design from. So yeah, I will be back again next week with another video. See you next time. Bye.